In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up to be an Airbnb host, 5 minutes. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to airbnb.com. If you prefer, you can search for Airbnb and click the official result. Make sure you're on the correct site by checking the address bar for the airbnb.com domain and the secure lock icon. On the homepage, look for the menu icon, sometimes called the hamburger icon, usually in the top corner. Click that, then choose login or sign up. Since we're creating an account, select sign up. You can use your phone number or continue with Google. Phone sign up will send you a verification code. Google sign in will guide you through a quick account connection. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish creating your account. Once your account is ready, click Become a host. You'll be asked what you want to host, typically an entire place, a private room, or a unique space. Pick the option that best fits your property. Before listing, prepare your space and your listing details. Make sure the place is spotless, safe, and free of hazards. Check smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, secure loose rugs, and think about simple touches like fresh linens and labeled essentials. Next, take great photos. Natural daylight works best. Capture wide shots of each room, highlight unique features, and include any outdoor spaces. Clear clutter so the space looks inviting and true to life. Now write your listing. Describe the space accurately. List every amenity a guest will care about and set clear, friendly house rules. Help guests imagine their stay by explaining who the space is best for and any quirks they should know. Set your price by choosing a nightly rate and a cancellation policy. Look at comparable listings in your area for a reality check and remember that weekends and peak seasons can justify higher rates. Review your details and hit publish to make your listing visible. Once it's live, respond quickly to inquiries. Fast replies build trust and can boost your placement in search. Keep your tone warm, professional, and helpful. As bookings come in, confirm them and prepare for check-ins. Share arrival instructions in advance and make sure essentials like towels, toiletries, and Wi-Fi details are ready and easy to find. After each stay, learn from feedback, maintain high standards, keep improving your listing, and if managing it all feels busy, consider bringing on a co-host. Throughout the process, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete your setup. You're ready to host. Congrats on taking the first step.